Good morning, everyone. Former Minister late Satpal Sangwan's tribute meeting today. Dignitaries arrived to pay homage on Tuesday. Many dignitaries arrived on Monday to pay tribute to former Haryana Minister Satpal Sangwan and expressed their condolences to the bereaved family. His tribute meeting will be held on Wednesday at his residence in Charkhi Dadri. Former Minister Satpal Sangwan was paid tribute by former Minister Ranjit Singh Chotala, former MLA Rao Bahadur Singh, former MLA Shiv Shankar Bhardwaj, DGP Manveer Singh, IPS CMO Rajvendra Malik, retired IS R.C. Verma, retired SDM Om Prakash, Yaspal Malik, Mahant Charan Das, along with many activists and Sarpanch and municipal councillors of many villages as well as dignitaries, including members of many organizations at the residence of MLA Sunil Sangwan. Deputy Commissioner inspected crop Girdavri. There should not be any negligence in Girdavri. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma on Tuesday inspected the Girdavri in various villages of the district while inspecting the spot with the officials of the revenue department. He matched the information recorded in Sajra and TUP. While investigating the Girdavri of crops, the Deputy Commissioner instructed the officials of the Revenue Department to go to the field from time to time and match the information recorded in the Girdavri. Girdavri of crops is an important task, so there should not be any negligence at any level. According to this Girdavri, the produce is purchased in the market and the farmers get the benefit of various government schemes. He went to Barsana, Hadoda, Lad and Barda and inspected board examinations being conducted without cheating in the district. The official conducting surprise inspections. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma have said that the district administration is working with full seriousness to ensure that the Haryana Board of School Education examinations are conducted completely without cheating, keeping a strict vigil on the examination centers. SDM and education officials are constantly conducting surprise inspections so that the examinations process can be conducted in the completely copy-free and disciplined environment. On Tuesday, during the examination, administrative and education officials conducted surprise visit to various examination centers in the district and closely inspected the examination rooms. Strict compliance of examinations rule is being ensured in the examination centers so that there is no scope for any kind of irregularity. Flying squads formed by HBSC and the district administration are also conducting surprise inspections of examination centers with full alertness. The teams have been instructed to remain fully alert and vigilant from the time of entering the examination center till end of the examination. Immediate action should be taken if any kind of irregularity is found. The SDM in the district has also been specially instructed to keep a watch on the examination centers. The deputy commissioner has given strict instructions that if anyone is found cheating and making others cheat, strict action will be taken against him as per the rules. Complaints are being resolved on the spot in the Samadhan camp. On the instructions of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, the complaints of the citizens are being resolved on the spot in the Samadhan camp, due to which the trust of the citizens in the government and administration is increasing with time. The problem of the citizens are heard every day in the camp and their solution is ensured. The camp is being organized on every working day. In the camp organized on Tuesday under the guidance of Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, SDM Ashish Sangwan heard the problems of the citizens. Citizens reached the camp with complaints related to Privar Pehchan Patra, Electricity Corporation, Revenue Department, Panchayat Department. The SDM heard the problem of the citizens who came to the camp with various types of complaints and directed the officers of the concerned departments to resolve them immediately. SDM said that on the instructions of the state government, Samadhan camp is being organized for quick and effective solution of problems of citizens. Officers of all departments are present in the camp and complaints of citizens are resolved on the spot. Officers of the concerned departments, including Tehsildar Srishti Rani, were present on this occasion. Megha service camp will be organized in Prasram Hitram School on March 26th. A Megha service camp will be organized by the District Legal Services Authority on March 26th, in which various departments of the administration will set up stalls and provide benefits of government schemes. Secretary of District Legal Services Authority and CGM Sanjeev Kajla said that a mega camp will be organized by the authority on March 26 in Parsram Hitram School with the aim of providing public services to the common citizens in this camp. Applications will be made on the spot under various public welfare schemes of the government. Apart from this, the health department will provide services like medical checkup, eye checkup, and making Ayushman cards. He said that the employees of the Human Resources Development Department will collect documents from the citizens to make amendments in the family identity card services related to the District Welfare Department, Social Welfare Department, Common Service Center, Food and Supplies Department, Electricity Distribution Corporation will be available here. Stalls of National Urban Livelihood Mission One-Stop Center and Public Health Engineering Department will also be set up in this camp to be organized with the corporation of the district administrations. Take care, bye, see ya, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. Take care.